Hi everybody, my name is Dana. I am the marketing manager here at ReBath of the Heartland, and today on Design Tip Tuesday we're going to talk about the cup game. Actually, no, that's not what we're talking about today. We're actually talking about mixing metals. So I have the pieces of metals that we offer here at ReBath, either for handles, knobs, and pulls on your vanities, or for your lighting, or for your valves and faucets. So let's get started. When mixing metals, you want to actually adhere more to sheen than to color. Mixing metals is all about putting different colors of metals together, but when they start to look tacky and not well done is when you're not mixing the right sheen. Take, for example, you put a chrome next to something brushed, it's gonna look off. It's not gonna look put together. It's not gonna look nice. So if you're wanting to mix something with chrome, you're gonna need something else that's shiny. Now, it was really popular in the late 80s and early 90s to mix shiny gold with chrome. That looks dated. So as you can see here, I don't even have a shiny gold or a shiny anything to put with this. So if you're mixing metals, we recommend you stay away from chrome. In fact, if you're mixing metals, you can pretty much mix all four of these together. And the reason is because their sheen is all the same. They're all a matte finish or a brushed finish. You have your brushed nickel, your brushed gold, your brushed oil rub bronze, and then your matte black. So all four of these can actually be mixed in the same design and look quite beautiful together. If you're looking for a really traditional feel where you're mixing your metals, I would go for an oil rub bronze and a brushed gold. Those look very beautiful together, very upscale and very rich look together. They look better with a brown palette rather than a gray palette, but very nice mixed metal combo here. If you're looking for a really modern look with your mixed metals, I would say go with a brushed nickel and the brushed gold. The brushed gold adds just a little bit of richness to the design, whereas the brushed nickel is pretty timeless and looks pretty modern. You can get a lot of really awesome modern fixtures in either one of these colors, and they look really great. And then finally, I would say if you are going all out modern, you don't want any hint of gold in your room, another great combination is the matte black and the brushed nickel. These two together, if you're going with a cool colored room, something with this concrete even, they look great on there. So that's my little tip for mixing metals, is go for sheen, not for shine. And you can put any of those dull metals together. They look great. So until next Tuesday, have a great day.